Like, don't worry. I can do this. Like, are we NyaNeila's not? Ooh. Oh yeah, you have to groom the horse. Oh, I'll just shoot it and get a new. Hey, B! Ah, oh my god! No! V distracted me. V distracted. No! V distracted me. V distracted me. Okay, he's the one that. What? Wait. Give me a sec. Oh my god! V, thank you so much for the gift and sub. What do you want me to do? What do you want me to do? Go find the big cliff. Go find the big cliff and jump off. Oh my god. Okay, wait. Why can't I find one? Oh, I think I find one here. I think we can survive this. Did we survive it? Did we survive it? Okay, it's like all the way up here. You can do it, Nila. We believe in you. I got this. Maybe I don't. Good night, Core. I really. I can't believe I'm playing the game like 5 years later. Hello. Shit. Every single time. It's literally you guys' fault. It's literally you guys' fault. If I didn't look at chat, I wouldn't have I would have fucking backflipped this thingy. She invented parkour. No. Oh. What the? Ah! I thought the horse could jump. Wait. Yeah. Okay. Is she following? I wanted to check if she was following me. I wanted to check if she... Install all the plugins. Maybe that could be like the issue with like my PC.